Let's talk about a benefit that can really make a difference if life takes an unexpected turn.
With your coverage from Ashley Insurance Agency, there's an included feature that lets you access up to half of your policy's benefit early if you're diagnosed with a qualifying terminal illness.
What does that mean for you and your family? If you ever face a situation where you've been given a life expectancy of 12 months or less, you can use this benefit to help cover medical bills, daily expenses, or anything else that brings you peace of mind.
The maximum advance is $20,000 and the minimum is $1,000, so you get meaningful help when you need it most.
There's no extra premium for this protection, just a one-time administrative fee if you use it.
It's included at no extra charge, simply to make sure you and your family have a little less to worry about during a tough time.
And if you want more details or just need someone to walk you through how it works, give us a call at Ashley Insurance Agency. We're here for every stage of life with honest answers and a caring conversation, no pressure ever.
Please check out our videos here if you would like, or look in the description below to find a way to schedule with us or fill out an application on your own to get pricing for your Quit Smoking Advantage life insurance policy.